Why are we still stuck in the dark ages when it comes to video editing? It's 2025, and yet creating a decent video still feels like pulling teeth for most people. The process is slow, it's complicated, and let's be honest, it's expensive if you don't do it yourself. And even if you try to DIY, you're stuck learning clunky or overly complicated software that takes forever to master. Here's the thing though, video is too important to ignore. Whether you're building a brand, growing a YouTube channel, or just trying to make your content stand out, video is the king of content. It grabs attention, builds trust, and delivers results like nothing else. But the road to getting there, it's not so easy. Luckily, there are some incredible AI tools that have been coming out to make every part of life easier, including video editing. In this video, I'll be taking you through Pictory AI, which will completely change the way you view video editing. Getting set up with Pictory AI. To get started, create an account with Pictory AI. Just click the link in the description to sign up for a free trial. This way you can explore all the features before making any commitments. After clicking the link, fill in your information to complete the sign-up process. Once you're logged in, you'll find all the tools you need right here. There are 5 main features to check out: text to video, URL to video, the AI video editor, images to video, and PowerPoint to video. If you already have your script and voiceover but just want to make some edits, the AI editor is perfect for that. If you want to bring your images to life, you can use the images to video option. And if you have slides that need a fun animated upgrade, the PowerPoint to video feature will help you create something really impressive. One thing I really like about Pictory AI is that it helps you make video editing way easier, especially if you're not very good with technology or if you're short on time. In this video, I'm going to show you the Pictory feature that I use the most, and I'll also talk about some of its other helpful features. Script to video. Let's say I want to make a faceless YouTube video that shares tips on healthy meal prepping. For this example, let's say our video is called Top 5 Healthy Meal Prep Tips. The first thing we need to do is create our script, and don't worry if you're not a professional writer. You can use tools like ChatGPT to write a great script from scratch. When your script is all set, go to the Pictory AI website. Click on the text to video option. Type in the name of your video at the top. After that, paste your script into the text box below. I'll just copy and paste my healthy meal prep tips here. Next, click on Scene Settings and change it to Create New Scenes on Line Break. Make sure to add a line break after each sentence at least. This way, the video will show different clips every few seconds, which makes it more interesting and keeps viewers engaged for longer. Then, click Proceed. Pictory's AI takes your script and analyzes it line by line to create a storyboard. It splits your script into different scenes and automatically picks visuals that fit the content, so you don't have to hunt for images yourself. The AI does all the hard work for you, but you still have the freedom to change anything you don't like. After Pictory makes your storyboard, you'll see a timeline at the bottom of the screen. Each scene matches a line or two from your script, and above each scene, there's the video clip that Pictory selected. If you like it, that's great. But if you want something different, it's super simple to adjust. For instance, if you don't like a certain clip, just click on it, and a huge library of other visuals will appear. Pictory has millions of royalty-free videos and images, so you're sure to find something that works better. Plus, if you have your own visuals, you can upload those too. Let's talk about voiceovers next. You have a couple of choices. If you enjoy using your own voice, you can easily record it right in Pictory. Just click the voiceover button, get your microphone ready, and start recording for each scene. It's really simple. But if you're not too sure about recording your voice, or if you want to try out different accents or styles, Pictory has a great AI voice generator. It offers many options in different languages, and the voices sound really natural, not like those robotic ones you might find with other tools. For our video on healthy meal prep tips, we want to keep things friendly and easy to understand. We can pick one of the female AI voices that sounds just right for this style. All you have to do is click on the voice you like, and Pictory will automatically add it to your video. Plus, it makes sure the voice matches the timing of each scene, which really helps save time. We have visuals and a voiceover ready, so now we need to add captions. It might not look important, but captions really help keep people engaged. Pictory can create captions for you automatically, and they're really precise. If you find that the AI got a word wrong, or if you want to highlight something by using capital letters, you can easily change the text. At this point, your video is really shaping up nicely. Before we finish and export it, let's talk about how to make it more unique. Pictory allows you to add personal touches like logos, intro screens, and outro screens. For our productivity video, we could upload a basic logo and position it in the corner of each scene to give it a more professional look. You can also change the font, color scheme, and transitions to fit your brand aesthetic. These small details can really make your videos look like they were made by a professional editor. Once you've reviewed your video and you're happy with how it looks, click the export button. Pictory gives you options for different resolutions like 720 pixels and 1080 pixels, so you can select the one that suits you best. The exporting happens pretty fast, even if your video is long. Once it's finished, you'll have a complete video file that you can upload straight to any platform. Other features. Another one of my favorite features is how Pictory lets you create videos from URLs. Let's say you found a killer article online. Instead of manually turning it into a script, you can just drop the link into Pictory. The AI scans the page, identifies the main points, and generates a video that highlights the most important information. This is perfect for creating content from research that has inspired you, and also for when you need to create videos quickly to stay on trend. If you're in education or business, you're probably no stranger to PowerPoint presentations. But let's be honest, slideshows aren't exactly the most exciting way to present information. Pictory can take your PowerPoint file and turn it into a video that's actually interesting to watch. It adds transitions, animations, and even voiceovers, so your presentation goes from dull to dynamic without you lifting a finger. Another standout feature is Pictory's ability to extract highlights from long videos. If you've got a webinar, podcast, or interview, you can use the video editor to pull out the best moments and turn them into short, shareable clips. This is perfect for social media, where shorter content tends to perform better. It's also a huge time saver, letting you get more mileage out of your existing content. At the end of the day, what Pictory really gives you is time and efficiency. You're not spending hours wrestling with complicated software or trying to find the perfect assets. You're not waiting weeks for a freelancer to finish your project. You're getting high-quality videos in a fraction of the time, which means you can focus on what really matters. Whether that's creating more content, engaging with your audience, or running your business. And it's not just about saving time. Pictory also helps you create videos that look and feel professional, which is incredibly important for standing out in a crowded market. Whether you're a YouTuber trying to grow your channel, a small business owner looking to connect with customers, or a content creator repurposing existing work, Pictory gives you the tools to do it all without breaking a sweat. You don't have to take my word for it. Pictory offers a free trial so you can try it out and see how it fits into your workflow. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking for a way to level up your existing video content, this platform has something for everyone. Have you heard of or tried Pictory AI before? Will you be trying it now? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more like this.